this video, we will look at how you can access your account on the Viva Digital website after registration. Also, we will explore the features available on the teacher or institute dashboard. Let's begin. Type in Viva Digital in your browser and click on Search. Now click on the web page that appears www.vivadigital.in. You are now on the home page of the website. Click on the My Account section in the top right corner, which will take you to the login and registration page. Select user type, teacher or institute, whichever you chose, while creating the account on Viva Digital. Then, enter your registered email address and password. You can reset your password by clicking on Forgot Password right below the login button if you have forgotten it. Enter the CAPTCHA given and click the login button to enter your Viva Digital teacher or institute dashboard. Now you are on the dashboard of your Viva Digital account. You can review the status of resource requests so far. You can also connect with our team for queries related to the Viva Digital website, our content and digital resources, or your Viva Digital account. You would also be able to check our response to your latest query on your dashboard. Any feedback from you is highly appreciated. Select the feedback type from the drop-down, select rating and then type in your feedback. Finally, click on Submit button to submit your feedback. Let's understand how to access resources on this platform. On the side panel, you can see the Download Study Material tab. This will list all the approved requests. For example, this teacher has requested English Grammar, classes 1 to 4, and Startup Science, classes 1 to 5. If you click on View, this will take you to the resource page of that particular book. You can see the list of resources in this book: answer keys, worksheets, test papers, test generator, lesson plans, ebooks, sample chapters, and videos. Let's have a look at them one by one. Firstly, have a look at the videos. Click on the open link and the video will open in another tab. You can easily navigate between chapters and show chapter-related videos to the class.
The things around us are divided into two groups: living and non-living things, plants, animals. Our universe is a vast open space which includes everything that exists as matter or energy. These are the heavenly bodies which move around.
Let's close this tab, for now, to look at other resources. Ebook will allow you to access your print books anytime, anywhere. You can access the content of the book by clicking on this icon. It is a flip version of your print books. Going back to the dashboard. Test Generator is a tool that allows teachers to generate tests with great flexibility. First, fill in this short form to enter the information about the test or exam. Then, you can select the chapters you want to include in the test and the type of questions. Click the plus icon to add a particular question or set of questions to the paper set. Once you are done selecting the questions, click on the paper set to preview the question paper. You can now print or save these as teachers or students copy. This can be a great time-saving tool for teachers. Here is a peek into our answer key. Lesson plan. Test papers. And worksheets. Alright, let's have a look at the Interactive Learning tab. This has ample activities that students can perform on their own, or you could also take this up in your class. Select subject, series, and class. Click on the open link. You can see the list of chapters available for that particular book. Each chapter will have multiple sets of activities. Heading back to the dashboard, if you have forgotten to add a few series or classes to your account at the time of account creation, you can do the same from Request Study Material tab. Just select Subject, Series, and check on the boxes for classes. Click on Submit button to send in your request. Our team will review these requests and you will get the access within 2 to 3 business days. You can check all your pending requests from the tab Your Pending Requests. Thanks for watching this video.